the first thing I'm going to do is fill up my diffuser. I like using either Purification or Citrus Fresh for this while I'm cleaning or diffusing after I'm done cleaning. It's so fresh and clean. It's the best. Then next I'm just going to clean off everything from my countertops and make sure everything is clean and ready to clean. I'm going to take my jewelry down and kind of just wipe out the dish that I keep the rings and earrings in with my window cleaner, which is just Thieves with a splash of vinegar. And then I'm going to take everything out of the shower and remove the rugs. And then I'm going to use the glass cleaner to clean the windows and also the blinds. And the good thing is if you don't have the glass cleaner, the regular Thieves cleaner, just one cap full of Thieves and then filled to the top with water, works on windows as well. You don't have to make a special one just for windows or for glass. And then after I'm done with that, I'm going to move on to the light fixture. These blinds are super high maintenance and hard to clean, and we're thinking about getting new ones, but the Thieves does a really good job of just getting all the dust and dirt off of them. It just takes forever. Then with the light fixtures, I'm going to just dust them with a dry rag, and then I sprayed them down with Thieves and just wiped all of the dirt and dust, and as well as the light bulbs and the mirror. And then after that, I'm just going to do the countertop and then move down to the cabinets. I love using Thieves on our white cabinets. We have white cabinets everywhere, and they're also high maintenance, so having Thieves is the best. And then I ran out, so I'm just refilling my all-purpose cleaner, which is again one cap full of Thieves filled to the top with water. Then with the toilet, I'm just going to spray it down with the multi-purpose, and then I also sprinkle some baking soda in the toilet bowl just to give an extra like scrubbing power. Baking soda works really well with Thieves when cleaning a lot of things. And then for the shower, I'm going to spray down with Thieves and then sprinkle baking soda, and then I'm just using, this is a walnut scrubbing pad from Public Goods. It really works to just scrub away all of we have pretty hard water, so it worked really good to get rid of all of the stains from that. Then after I'm done scrubbing, I'm going to just spray it down fully one more time and kind of just wipe away everything that was left behind. There's quite a bit of baking soda, so I'm like rinsing and wiping all of that away. And put everything back in the shower and everything back on the counter. And then the last thing is the floor. So I just used my Dyson stick vacuum to vacuum. That is the best vacuum ever. It gets every single piece of dust off of the floor. And then this is my cool mopping thing. I guess it has that refillable, looks like a water bottle. I just put a splash of Thieves concentrate and then some water into that, and then when you put that back on the mop, it just kind of sprays out. And then it has these pads, and this is the nicest one that I've had. I've used like the Swiffer ones and a bunch of different ones. This one's really nice. I think it's Rubbermaid brand. It's just kind of heavy duty and works the best in my opinion. But that's super quick and easy. Just spray down and wipe, and then I am done. So I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know if you have any questions on anything I used, which is basically Thieves. I am doing the kitchen next week, so stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Bye.